Hi everyone, my name is King Ivy and this is Introduction to Visual Basics for Excel. In today's lesson, we'll be covering do loops, two main types of do loops, do while, so do while this condition's being met, or do until this condition is being met. Very similar, both very useful. You have to set the problem up slightly differently, or set your coding up slightly differently, but it can achieve pretty much the same objective. They're pretty much interchangeable. So let's call it sub-learning. So I highly recommend that you watch the previous lessons so you get a understanding of what's going on. And those are all available on this channel as well. So let's go do while evaluate. So evaluate something that we covered as well. Sum column A is less than 100. Let's go cells I, column 1 is equal to evaluate equals no, I forgot to put the equal sign above 10. There you go. And let's just increment I by 1, and then essentially a loop through these two lines of code, which are in between the do and the loop, while it's meeting that condition. So let's go columns A dot cleared. So we can clear it. Let's press F8. So now we see I is equal to 1. Loop through it, and what you'll see there is start pasting some values. Now I is equal to 2, 3, etc., etc. Press F5. You'll see that this sums to 100, which means that this loop stopped. So let's try something a little bit different. Let's try do until. Do until it equals, say 5, or let's say, okay, didn't like that, misspelled until. It's 5. Let's just go count if. Count if, you need to find your range. Next, you need to define your variable. So I had to put in double quotations because I'm quoting inside the quote. So just a little bit technical details. Let's do the same thing. Let's press F5, and then in theory I should have 5 ones here. Let's see if that is true. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect. So do while, do until, really useful. Use them in conjunction with your for loops, your if statements, your different functions that are available. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave in sections below, and look forward to speaking to you next time. Thank you.